Okay, so we're gonna replace the headlight bulb on this Venom X19 200cc. There's this one right here, but I'm gonna show you how is the process with this one, because basically we're gonna work blind a little bit, because we don't have to remove any bearing, but it's not too visible to get there, like this part. Because I think for me it's a little bit easier to work in front of the bike, put your hand inside and just play around. The reason why I take this one is because it's easier to explain what you're gonna do. Like right here, we have two on the same position. So we're gonna remove this little rubber cap right here, and then it's gonna be like this right there. And the only thing we have to do is we have this one right here, like in this position. Have to make sure we push this little cable. You can feel it because it's the only curvy like zone on this one, and you just have to push it, and boom, you let it go, and then you can take this out. Like this, and it's the same process right there. What I do on this other one is I just slap this thing right here, and I push it with my finger like this, and I just push it. Like the movement is you push it and down, you push it and down. Basically that's what you do, but blind. That's it. You have your connector right here, and we put it back on the same process. Just be careful because you can twist this one, and you don't want that. I'm gonna connect this too. Again, you have to make sure we unplug it first to plug it again. Boom. The battery is dead. But yeah.